Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where YouTube's dark theme is not working, even if you've already turned it on. Whether you're on PC or mobile, I've got some quick fixes. Let's get started. On desktop, first go to youtube.com and click your profile icon in the top right. Click on Appearance and make sure Dark Theme is selected. If it's already on and still not working, try this. Refresh the page or log out and log back in. If that doesn't help, try clearing your browser cache. In Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Set the time range to All Time and clear cached images and files. Now restart your browser and check again. If it still doesn't work, try using incognito mode or a different browser. If it works there, the problem could be with your extensions or browser settings. Disable ad blockers or appearance-related extensions one by one to see if one of them is interfering. On mobile, open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings. General Appearance. Choose Dark Theme or use Device Theme. Still not working? Try clearing app data. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Reopen the app and try again, and that's it. Your YouTube dark theme should now be working fine. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell for more helpful videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.